It usually costs over $8,000 to book a business class flight from Sydney to Dubai on Emirates, but in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can book that same flight for 40% off. The great news is if you're an Australian with a Qantas Frequent Flyer account, almost anyone can do this. I'm going to take you through the exact steps that you need to do in order to get these flights for 40% off when you're using cash. Now before I get into it, if these sort of videos are helpful to you, I would appreciate a thumbs up and if you also left a comment letting me know. But with that in mind, let's get straight into this. So to begin, I'm here on the Qantas Frequent Flyer account and this is the classic search tool on the homepage. From here, we just want to put in the details of the flight that we're looking for. So for today's example, I'm talking about Sydney to Dubai, but this strategy works for pretty much every single flight on the Qantas website. Now the amount of savings that you get is going to fluctuate. If you want to apply this strategy on different types of flights, you'll want to look for those long-haul international business class flights, the flights that usually cost around $10,000. This sort of strategy is going to work best for them. So think flights to Dubai, think flights to America, think flights to Europe, any sort of long-haul international business class flight, you can apply this same strategy to them. So for this particular example, Sydney to Dubai, ensure that business class is ticked and also ensure that rewards here is selected. Then when we click on this dates calendar here, this will load up all of the flights available. Now what we're looking for are these little red ribbons here. These are the dates where this strategy is going to work. Locate a date with a little red ribbon. So you can see here there's lots in October 2026. For this example, I'm just going to use one in February. Let's click on the 7th of February here. I'm going to zoom out so I can continue. And then from here, click on search. Now this data has loaded here and it's not really an ideal flight. It's a Jetstar flight to Melbourne and then onwards into Dubai. Let's see if we can find a direct flight. I'm going to click on the 10th of February, see if that gives us a direct flight, which it has. Sydney to Dubai, 0 stops. This is on Emirates in business class. 130,000 Qantas points is required and $1,200 in cash. If I click on all flights here and we compare that to what we would have to pay using cash, we can see here that if I was typically going to buy that flight using cash, it would set us back $8,000. But if we have the Qantas points, we can book that same flight for 130,000 Qantas points and $1,200 in taxes. Now you're probably saying to yourself that you don't have the Qantas points. Hopefully you've been following this channel for a little while. You should know exactly how you can go about and earn 130,000 Qantas points. But if you are new to the channel and you're starting with 0 Qantas points, the great news is you can literally just buy them straight from Qantas if you wanted to fast track this whole experience and start saving money instead of paying full price with cash. Now in an ideal world, you would be earning frequent flyer points so you don't have to buy these points. Instead, you're going to be earning them through natural ways. Maybe you're earning them on some of your daily expenses. Maybe you're earning them through credit cards or health insurance or gift card promos. Check out some of the other videos where I've talked about how you can earn these points as cheaply as possible and use them on flights like this. But for this particular example, assuming you have 0 frequent flyer points, head over back to the home page, the Qantas homepage, locate frequent flyer and then head to top up points. Once you've arrived at this page, you can scroll down and click on purchase top up points. From here, this is the place where you're going to purchase those points. So I'll click on this 100,000 to 150,000 points section, scroll down until I find the amount of points required for that flight. So it's 130,100 Qantas points, which is a little bit annoying. So you're going to have to purchase 135,000 Qantas points. That will set you back $3,640. Now just before we do the maths on how much you're actually saving here, a couple of things. You have to have been a Qantas Frequent Flyer member for at least 30 days. So when you're doing this strategy, try and plan well in advance. You can also only do this strategy 4 times per year per member in a 12-month period, and you can only purchase a maximum of 150,000 points at a time. The exception to that is when Qantas have bonus offers. So sometimes they will have a 50% bonus offer, meaning if we were to buy this 135,000 Qantas point amount during a 50% bonus offer, we would then get an additional almost 70,000 points, meaning we're going to buy 135,000 Qantas points, but we're going to unlock close to 200,000 Qantas points. Ideally, if you are set on doing this strategy, you would wait until a bonus offer with Qantas happens. Those sort of 50% bonus offers typically run around 3 or 4 times every single year. We just had one of these 50% bonus offers just about a month ago. I think we're going to get one either late this year or early next. But for this example, let's just assume that there was no sale on and we are just purchasing these points at normal value. So if we were purchasing these points just at normal value, let's run through the math so we can figure out how much we're saving. So to purchase these amount of points, $3,640, and then you've got those flight taxes as well, which were $1,250. That means all in all, we're in it for $4,890. We know before that if we were paying cash for that flight, it would typically cost us around $8,200. When you plug it into a calculator, this is 60% of the value of $8,200, meaning you've just saved 40% off paying cash for this flight. Now, it all seems very, very simple. It seems too good to be true, so what is the catch? The catch is that this doesn't work for every single flight. As I said right at the start, we were looking for those flights with the little red ribbons, and the reality is those flights with the little red ribbons are very, very difficult to find. They are not available too freely. In fact, I'm using a website called Gyoza Flights here. Gyoza Flights allows me to search the entire Qantas website in a matter of seconds. If you do want to sign up to it, check out my referral link in the video description. But pretty much, these are all the flights from Sydney to Dubai over the next year with the Qantas Frequent Flyer program. And there's only 2 pages of direct flights that we can choose that this sort of strategy would work on. 2 flights out of a whole calendar year is not too many flights that this actually works on. The good news is that if these flights do work for dates you're after, you can just save 40% off just by buying the points and using them on these flights. The bad news is that these dates are somewhat fairly selective. I have used Sydney to Dubai for this particular example, but it gets even trickier for more in-demand routes, such as flights to America or flights to Europe. This is often the biggest frustration for people with frequent flyer points, is that they've gone through all this effort to earn these frequent flyer points. They've got this massive points balance here, and now they can't actually spend those points that they've worked so hard to accumulate. If you're in that boat, then check out the link in the video description for my Patreon group. Every single day in there, I share with my members the very best business and first class reward seats that they can book with their Qantas and the Velocity points. These hard to find high value redemptions is what I like to focus on and share with my members. You can see here I heavily focus on helping them use their points to go to Europe in business class, to go to America, South America, Japan, all of those destinations that Aussies actually want to use their points on. If you think that would benefit you, I would love to see you in my Patreon group. Link to that is in the video description. You'll also get my in-depth masterclasses completely for free when you're a first class tier member. In there are Patreon exclusive videos. The secrets that I've learned over the last 10 years I share directly in there. Would love to see you in there. I hope today's video was helpful, and other than that, I'll see you in the next one.